Are you looking for the best upright vacuum? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 4 upright vacuum, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 4. Amazon Basics Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner for carpet and hard floors. Washable filter, crevice and upholstery tools, detachable handle, lightweight, 1.7-liter dust cup, 25-foot cord, black, white. Brand, Amazon Basics. Form factor, upright. Special feature, bagless. Filter type, cloth. Surface recommendation, carpet, hardwood. About this item. Easy maneuverability. At only 8.4 pounds and with a 25-foot power cord, this lightweight vacuum cleaner for home offers easy movement and convenient cleanup. Versatile cleaning. These household vacuum cleaners include upholstery and crevice tools to clean various surfaces and tight spaces, as well as a detachable handle. Large capacity dust cup. These vacuum cleaners for carpets and floors have a 1.7-liter dust cup that allows for longer cleaning with frequent emptying and features a quick release button for easy disposal of collected debris. Number 3. Eureka UNEU 10AE5 Powerful Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Carpet and Floor, Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner with Replacement Filter, blue. Brand, Eureka. Form factor, upright. Special feature, bagless, compact, lightweight, washable filter. Filter type, foam. Surface recommendation, carpet, hard floor, upholstery. Powerful all-floor suction. The Eureka UNEU 10AE5 Upright Vacuum Cleaner effortlessly extracts dirt and hair from hard floors and carpets ease. The 10.5-inch wide cleaning path of this household vacuum cleaner helps cleaning larger areas quickly and with ease. Quick release handle for above floor cleaning. This upright vacuum cleaner best rated have crevice tool and dusting brush, which can be attached to the end of the handle for cleaning upholstery, windows, and other hard-to-reach places. Number 2. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum. Swivel steering for maneuverability, triple action brush roll for pet hair, large capacity dirt tank, and scatter-free tech. Brand, Bissell. Form factor, upright. Special feature, bagless. Filter type, disc. Surface recommendation, carpet. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help find a home for a pet in need. Swivel steering and maneuverability. Maximize control with swivel steering that makes it easy to navigate around furniture and obstacles, providing a smoother cleaning experience. Scatter-free technology. Confidently clean hard floors with scatter-free technology that captures messes instead of pushing them around. Includes specialized pet tools for upholstery. Triple action brush roll. Engineered to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair and dirt. The specialized bristles work effectively across multiple surface types. Number 1. Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, HEPA filter, swivel steering, upholstery tool, and pet crevice tool. Perfect for pets and multi-surface, teal. Brand, Shark. Included components, crevice tool, instruction manual, Shark Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum, upholstery tool. Special feature, bagless, HEPA, lightweight. Filter type, HEPA filter. Surface recommendation, carpet, hard floor, upholstery. Self-cleaning brush roll, engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap versus Shark bristle nozzles. Voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 1200 watts. Lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, the pet crevice tool removes pet hair from hard-to-reach spaces like corners, ceilings, and between couch cushions. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum to get in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.